Hello everyone. Today we will see about continuation of our last session, that is about Git branching. So in last session we have seen what is branching, why branching is required, etc. So if you haven't watched that session, I would recommend to watch part 1 of branching session. So we have also seen how to create a branches, how to view a branch, by using how to switch a branch. So we have also seen by using checkout command how to switch from one branch to another branch. We have also created some new branch. We have also seen the command by which we can create and switch to new branch in one command. And we have also seen some important points. And the main point was, whenever master branch is created and its child branches are created, so every branch is isolated from other branches. Example, newly added files and commits in separate branch will not be present in master branch until it gets merged into master branch. The child branch which is created will inherit the files and commits from master branch up to the point from where it got separated from master branch. And whatever new changes or commits that will happen after that in the master branch, those will not be present in child branch. And we can create n number of branches and all will be independent from each other. So if you remember in last session what we have done, we have, so let me just show you. So what we have done, we have created one project. In that project we have created two files, file1 and file2.txt. Then we initialized Git repository. That means after that we have added the file1 and file2 to staging area, and then we have committed those files into local repo. As soon as we have committed those files, we have created the master branch, and that master branch is created. So if you see this example here, so we have created a master branch which will contain file1 and file2.txt in local repository, and we have done only one commit so far in the master branch. After that we have created two branches, that is feature X branch and feature Y branch from the master branch. So this file1.txt and file2.txt along with this commit1 will be inherited to feature X branch and feature Y branch. These files will be inherited to feature X branch and feature Y branch because at this point we have created two branches. So these commits and files from the master branch will be inherited in these two branches, and we can check that as well. So if you, let's open the git bash, and in git bash how to check on which branch we are currently. So first let's execute the command, that is git branch. What it will show you, git branch command will show you all the branches which are present currently. So there is feature X branch, feature Y branch and master branch. Now I want to check the files which are present in staging area for master branch. For that I have to first switch to master branch. How to switch to master branch? By using git checkout command. So we can execute git checkout and the branch name. What is the branch name? Master branch. So now I have switched to branch master. So now if I again check git branch, it will show you we are currently on master branch. This star denotes we are currently on master branch. And now if I check the staging files, git ls -files, it is showing me file1.txt and file2.txt which are present in master file. And also I can check the commit as well, git log -one line. This command is showing one commit which is present in master branch. So this is what we are here. So basically file1 and file2 are present in master branch along with commit1. Now we will switch to feature X branch, and we will see whether this file1 and file2 along with this commit are inherited to feature X and feature Y branch or not. So again, let's go back to project. So I want to switch to which branch now? I want to switch to feature X branch. So let's switch to feature X branch. How to switch? Git checkout command and then branch name, that is feature X branch. So now we are on feature X branch. If you see here also, you can see it is showing feature X. So we are on feature X branch now. I want to check git ls hyphen file command. It will show you again. If you see, file 1 and file 2 are also present in feature X branch. And also if you check for commit log hyphen hyphen one line, git log hyphen hyphen one line command will show you in git feature X branch there is this commit also present, which is inherited from master branch only. So if you see, these files and this commit is present in feature X branch as well. Now let's check out for feature Y branch also. So let's check out for feature Y branch also. So now I have to switch to Y branch. So git checkout feature Y branch now. So now if you see, we have switched to branch feature Y. Now let's check git ls hyphen files. So if you see in staging area, these two files are present. And let's also check git log hyphen hyphen one line. And also the commit which is inherited from master branch. So this concept, so basically we are at this stage. But if you see, we have seen also the point where this commit and these files are present in feature X branch. But now after this, if I create any file in master branch and if I commit those files in master branch, they will not be present in feature X branch and feature Y branch, because now that branch is separate. Master branch is now separate. So at this point onwards, if I create any file and commit that file into master branch of master branch, then it will not be present in feature X and feature Y branch. That we can check now. So what we will do? So we will do, if you see this example, we will do one more commit in master branch. We will add one file, that is file3.txt in master branch, and then we will see whether that file3.txt is present in feature X branch and feature Y branch or not. Ideally it will not be present because we are adding this file after creating the branches. So if you add now anything in master branch, that will not be present in feature X and feature Y branch. So let's perform and let's see this in real time example. So what I will do, I will simply again switch to master branch. How to switch to master branch? Git checkout master. So now we have switched to master branch. After switching to master branch, now I will create one more file. So let's use touch command. I will create file3.txt. It will create a file in working directory. If you see, file is created now. Then I will add that file into staging area. And then I will commit that file into master branch. So how to add? Git add file3.txt. So it will add file3.txt to staging area. And then we can commit that file, git commit -m. We can say this is a second commit in master branch. This is a second commit in master branch. So this file is committed to master branch local repository. So we have basically created one file3.txt and we have committed that file to master branch local repository. In local repository's master branch, that file is committed. Now if I again see, so now let's execute git ls -files command. It will show you three files, file 1, file 2 and file 3, which are present in master branch staging area. And we can also check git log -one line. So it will show you two commits now. The latest commit which you have done, that is this one, second commit, which is present on master branch. Now what we will check is, now we will see we will switch to feature X branch. Now we will switch to feature X branch, and in feature X branch we will check whether this file3 and this commit is present or not. So now what I will do, how to switch to feature X branch? So if you type the command git checkout feature X branch, so it will switch to feature X branch. Now let's see git ls -files command. How many files it will show you? If you see, only 2 files are present, which were initially inherited from master branch. And also if you see git log -one line, it will show you only one commit, because it is only one commit which was inherited from master branch. So whatever commit and whatever file we have added in master branch, that is not present in feature X branch. So both the branches are separated from this point. So whatever file3 which we have added in master branch will not be part of feature X branch and feature Y branch as well. It will be only present in master branch now, because in feature X branch we have not done any commit, we have not created any file yet. It is a totally independent branch of master branch. So that we have verified just now. Now let's check in feature Y branch as well, whether this file3 and cm2 commit2 is present in feature Y branch or not. So what I will do, I will again use checkout command, git checkout feature Y. So it will switch to feature Y branch. And now I want to check git ls -files. If you see, again only 2 files are there which were initially inherited from master branch. But after we created the branch, and after that if you add any new file in master branch, those changes will not be present in other branches. Also if you see the log git log -one line, only one commit is present. That was the initial commit which was inherited from master branch. So this commit and these files are present in feature X and feature Y. But this file3.txt and new commit which we have done after creating the branches will be present only in master branch, because we have done that commit in master branch with file3.txt. So this is one example in which we have verified that feature X branch, feature Y branch and master branch are separate from each other. They are independent of each other, and if you do any changes in master branch, it will not reflect in other branches. Now we will also see one more example. What I will do is, now in feature X branch, now I will switch to feature X branch, and after switching to feature X branch, we will add the file in feature X. We will do the commit in feature X branch, because so far we have not done any commit in feature X branch or feature Y branch. Now we will do one addition of file and one commit into feature X branch, and that would be only present in feature X branch. It should not be present in master branch, and it should not be present in feature Y branch. So now let's verify this as well. So I will go to git bash. Now we want to switch to which branch? Feature X branch. So I will just check git checkout feature X branch. So I will just switch to feature X branch now. After switching to feature X branch, what we will do, we will create one more file. Let's say touch file underscore, let's say we will give the same name, file1 underscore x. So let's say this is a file1 underscore x dot txt. So it will create that file in working directory. And now this file, we are on which branch currently? If you see, we are on feature X branch, and we have created one file in working directory. We will add that file into staging area, git add file1 underscore x dot txt, and then we will commit that file, git commit -m, and that file will be committed to which branch? In feature X branch. So it is basically, I can say, commit 1 of feature X branch. So far there is no commit present in feature X branch. Apart from the one which was inherited, only one commit was present there. But now after executing this command, now file is committed. So now if I see the file, so git ls hyphen files command, it will show you how many files? 3 files now. File 1, file 2, which was inherited from master branch, and the new file which we have just committed, that is file1 underscore x.txt. In which branch it is present? Feature X branch. And also if I see log history, git log hyphen one line, if you see, now it is showing you 2 commits. This was the commit which was inherited from master branch, and it is a new commit which you have done only in feature X branch. Now if you see, this is the commit which we have done, and this is the file which we have added, and this is present only in feature X branch. Now we will see whether this is present in master branch or feature Y branch. It will not be present in master branch and feature Y branch. So let's verify that as well. So now if I go to the git bash, now let's check. First we have to switch to master branch, git checkout master, and now let's check git ls hyphen files. If you see, there are only 3 files which are present, file 1, file 2 and file 3. If you see, file 1, file 2 and file 3.txt, these are the 3 files present in master branch. File 1 underscore x.txt, this was only present in feature X branch. It is not present in master branch now because it is a separate branch. This change is present only on feature X branch. Similarly, if you see the feature Y branch, it will not show you this file, right? So let's switch to feature Y branch now. So basically let's switch git checkout feature Y branch. Let's check the file on that branch. So it will have only 2 files because, so we are here now. So feature Y branch is having only 2 files which was originally inherited from master branch, that is file 1 and file 2. It will not have file 3. It will also not have this file 1x.txt. This was present only in feature X branch. This is present only in master branch. And feature Y branch is currently having only file 1, file 2 and only one commit which was originally inherited from master branch. So if you see git log hyphen one line command, it will show you only one commit that was originally inherited from master branch. So if I want to add another file, so what I will do now is in feature Y branch, now I will add one more file in feature Y branch only. I will commit that in feature Y, and this will be present only in feature Y branch. It will not be present in feature X branch and even in master branch. So let's execute that. So let's go to git bash. Let's switch to feature Y branch. Feature Y branch. Now, so now I am already on feature Y branch. So I will create one file. Let's say touch file1 underscore y.txt. Then we will add that file into staging area. After adding that file to staging area, we will commit that file. Git commit -m. This is basically first commit in which branch? First commits exclusively in Y branch. So it is in feature Y branch. So now what we have done is we have added file1 underscore y.txt file in feature Y branch. Now again, this is independent of master branch and feature X branch. So this file, that is file1 underscore y.txt, along with this commit will not be present in master branch as well as feature X branch. So if I execute the command git ls, let's say hyphen files, it will show you file y.txt which is present in feature Y branch. Since we are on feature Y, now I will switch to master branch, git master, git checkout master, and let's check the file git ls hyphen files. It will show you only file 1, file 2 and file 3. It will not show you file 1 y.txt which is present only in feature Y branch. Now if you also switch to feature Y branch, in this branch again if you see the files, it will contain only, so we want to switch to feature X branch actually. Git checkout feature X branch, and now in this let's check the files. In this if you see git ls hyphen files, only file 1, file 2 and file 1 underscore x.txt. So this is how we have verified that after inheriting from master branch, and if you create the branches, the new commit and new files which we have added, those will be present only in that specific branch. So feature X branch is having the file which is only present in feature X branch. Feature Y branch is also having the commit and files which are present only for feature Y branch along with inherited ones. And after the branch, new branches are created, whatever commits and files we have added in master branch, those will be only present in master branch. Those will be separated from feature branches unless they are merged, right? So merging we will see in coming session, but just understand in branching concept, they are currently independent of each other. So unless we merge these branches, these changes and commits are independent of each other. So that's what we have verified today. So what we have verified, every branch is isolated from other branches. For example, if you add new files and commits in separate branch, then they will not be present in master branch as well as another branch until it gets merged into master branch. And the child branch which we have created, that will inherit the files and commits from master branch up to the point from where it got separated. So for example, from these points we have separated. So these files and this commit will be present in both the feature X and feature Y branch. But after that, whatever new changes we have done, so for example, after that whatever new file we have added in feature X branch, new file we have added in feature Y branch, new commit we have done in feature X and feature Y branch, those will be present only in those specific branches. They will not be present in other branches. And we can create any number of branches and all will be independent from each other. So that is about the Git branching concept. In coming session, we will see about Git merging related concept. So I hope you understood about Git branching. It is very important concept in Git. Why we need branches, what is the benefit of branches, that also we have seen. It basically supports parallel development. Multiple branches can be created. Multiple developers can work at the same time on the same source code. They will create their individual branch and they can work on those. And every branch will have some separate changes. They will not interfere with other files and other changes unless they are merged into one branch. So thank you for watching this video.